In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz to your Wix website. If you're looking to engage your audience with interactive content, adding a quiz can be an effective way to do so. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily implement this feature. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. The site's dashboard is your control center, where you can manage various aspects of your website, from design to settings. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the option that says Design Site. Clicking this will redirect you to the Wix Website Editor, a powerful tool equipped with everything you need to customize your site. Now, let's move on to the next step. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a menu labeled Add. Clicking on Add will reveal several options. Here, you'll want to select Contact and Forms. Within this section, find Wix Forms. This is where we can begin creating our quiz. After selecting Wix Forms, drag it onto the page where you'd like your quiz to appear. You can customize the form by accessing the form settings. This is where the real fun begins. You'll have the opportunity to add different types of questions, such as multiple choice, drop-downs, or text answers. Take your time to think about what type of questions best suit your quiz's purpose. Variety can keep the quiz engaging and help you gather information in a format that's easy to analyze. As you're creating these questions, be sure to clearly label each one and provide any necessary instructions. This ensures participants understand what's expected of them and can complete the quiz correctly. Clear instructions eliminate confusion, making it more likely that people will complete the quiz. Next, we need to think about how you'll collect and manage the responses you receive. In the form settings, configure notifications to suit your preferences. You can choose to receive responses directly in your email inbox or store them in your Wix dashboard. This flexibility allows you to manage responses seamlessly, whether you need immediate notifications or prefer to review them later. Once you've set everything up and are satisfied with how your quiz looks and functions, it's time to preview your work. Click on Preview to see the quiz in action. This is an important step to ensure everything appears as expected. Finally, when you're ready, hit Publish to make the quiz live on your site. Your audience can now interact with it, which can enhance engagement and provide valuable insights. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to integrating a quiz into your Wix website. Adding interactive elements like this can be a powerful tool in engaging your audience and obtaining valuable feedback. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and you're now ready to create a quiz that perfectly suits your needs. Happy quizzing!